Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. About 5 years ago, a dear friend of my mother's made me this necklace that you see around my neck. It became my favorite, and I literally have been wearing it every single day since she gave it to me. And so today, I thought it would be kind of fun to show you how to make your very own beach glass and charm necklace. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you will need 30 inches of 1 millimeter round leather cord, beach glass charm, assorted metal charms, assorted beads, scissors, and glass seed beads. So we're going to start with 30 inches of 1 millimeter leather cord. And this is something that I got on Amazon. And I'll have a link for you down below. And I also was able to find these beautiful beach glass charms. And as you can see, they come pre-drilled. Now it's a small hole, which is why you want this 1 millimeter cording. You don't want anything thicker than that. I'm going to use this color because I'm just very, very fond of this pretty color. And you're just going to take your cord and thread it through the hole. Then thread your charm through. Now in this case, as you can see, my charm has a little circle there where you're supposed to thread through. I don't need an O-ring because I'm going to have it laying flat on top of my charm. So there we go. So this is going to lay right flat on top of my sea glass charm. There, you see it? Like that. Now, this is the way I like to make my necklaces, which I like to have the first bead actually go over both cords, and then I split off into separate sides. So I'm going to take one of these tubular beads. This is a bone bead. And I'm just going to pick both strings and place it through the bone bead. Pull it down all the way. Now if you don't want to do that, you can also tie a knot there, but I just kind of love the way that that lays. And now you're going to start adding whatever beads you like to either side. And I tend to be a matchy-matchy person, but you don't have to be matchy-matchy. I'm going to use 2 of these African beads that I found. I thought these are really nice. So 1 on either side. A great place and resource for finding beads, Michael's has a lot of arts and craft beads, as does Joanne Fabrics. But I want to have one little pop of color here, and that's why I'm going to use this red bead. Which is kind of like a painted seed bead. It's glass. Has a bit of a larger hole, about a 4 millimeter hole. And there's my necklace. Now, what I'm going to do is use a slip knot technique. And if you have not watched my video on how to make a slip knot, now would be a good time to go watch it. There's a link down below. You lay one loop over top of the other. Wrap it around. And then you bring it through the hole. And now we're going to come to the other side and loop it around, go around the whole thing once, and pull it through. Your slip knot works in this way. You can make it long to go over your head, and then you just pull that to make it tight. And just snip that extra off on either side. And there you have it, your very own beach glass and charm necklace. I hope you have as much fun as I do making these. I find that I love making them because each charm just speaks to a different kind of friend that I have. And it's just so much fun picking the beads, picking the charms that go with each of my different friends. So I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.